Hi, this is Mohammad Rahmat Ali. I am very glad to read 100 difficult words with meanings in English. Equivocal, ambiguous, tractable, obedient, placate, pacify, miser, person who is extremely stingy, engender to produce, dogmatic, opinionated, guileless, very talkative, homogeneous, identical parts, laconic, using few words, quiescence, inactivity, anomalous, irregular, venerate, to respect, assuage, relieve, misanthrope, hates human beings, digress, to turn aside, collaborate, to confirm, buttress, support, antipathy, dislike, disabuse, misconception, feigned, pretended, banal, overly common, desiccate, dehydrate, diatribe, bitter verbal attack, pedantic, uninspired, guile, deception, eulogy, high price, fawn, seek the favor of, aberrant, different from usual, hearsay, an act opposed to established religious orthodox, obdurate, stubborn, prevaricate, to lie, embellish, to ornament, pragmatic, practical, precipitate, to cause, to open, proximity, nearness, profundity, depth, adulterate, make impure, sanction, permission, ameliorate, improve, anachronism, chronologically inappropriate, vindictive, forgiving, propitiate, to win over, our, affirm, burgeon, flourish, commensurate, proportional, mitigate, to soften, culpability, guilt, spacious, showy, turpitude, depravity, diffident, shy, repudiate, to reject, discrete, individually, distinct, abbreviate, to make unnecessary, dissemble, to pretend, unplacable, inflexible, emulate, to copy, complaisance, disposition to please, enervate, to weaken, latency, present but hidden, erudite, learned, espouse, to support, to marry, florid, flourished, accurate, to shut, harangue, lecture, hieroglyph, pictorial character, iconoclast, one who attacks traditional beliefs, impervious, impossible to penetrate, efficacy, effectiveness, inchoate, imperfect, formed, loquacity, talkative, irascible, easily angered, ephemeral, momentarily, laudable, deserving of praise, insipid, lacking excitement, magnanimous, generosity, precarious, uncertain, endemic, belonging to particular area, inherent, mollify, to calm, rarefy, more refined, disinterested, not interested, faster, cultivate, perennial, throughout the year, present, malevolent, ill-willed, defer, politeness in a submissive way, precursory, forerunner, lucid, clear, property, honesty, abscond, to depart secretly, propensity, tendency, audacious, bold, wheedle, to influence by flattery, prudent, careful, mundane, commonplace, diffuse, widely spread out, aggrandize, to make larger, decimate, to destroy a large part of, second, belief, enigmatic, a puzzle, unfettered, free, ascetic, austere.